Hey you guys, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. As you guys come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. If you guys are catching me live, you will see the big red live box in the upper left corner. That means we can chat live right here on Facebook. And if you're catching me on YouTube, you guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Lots of great fun crafty videos coming up for the fall holiday season. So much. And the greatest compliment you could give me is a share. I would love it if you'd share this video. In the bottom left corner of your mobile devices is a share button. Please share the love of Chalk Couture and Chalkin' with Jen. Hey guys, I'm Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. I am an independent designer with this amazing company called Chalk Couture. So all these gorgeous things you see around me are all created using our products from Chalk Couture. Hey, how are you? Welcome. So excited to be here today. You guys, life has been cray-cray. Like cray-cray. I'm like sitting here going, hey Anita, how are you? Like, I don't know where time is going. I don't know where the months are going. Like, I just feel so crazy with everything happening and traveling back and forth to PA. Lots of family things happening. You guys, I am like, what is happening? Ha! And we have all kind of amazing things happening at Chalk Couture, let me tell you. All kind of amazing things happening. What? There is a huge restock today. Like, huge. You guys, listen, if you're not a designer, I do have a private VIP group that I just posted the restock list. Hop in there so you can see all the amazing things coming back in stock. Just so many great things happening. Some great things coming up in September. Hey Anita, how are you? And please come and say hi to me. Even if you are new, we want to welcome you. Say hi. All of my amazing customers and VIP members, I love you guys to death. You know that. So excited to get back in the groove. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the rest of the year goes good. Pray, fingers crossed, blessings, all of it. You know, hi Amber, hello, welcome. So for those of you who don't know who I am or what this is, I'm going to throw this up on my screen. What is Chalk Couture? So we are a DIY home decor and crafting company, and you won't find our products anywhere else except through designers like myself. Hi Amanda, how are you? Hope all is well with you and the kids. We offer these really cool silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste, and we have inks. We do offer many services, and oh my God, the surfaces that we offer, you guys, blow me away. They are awesome sauce. We have chalkboards, box wood frames, whiteboards. We have banners, pillowcases. I mean, just an amazing array of surfaces. But know that our products can be used on so many things. Wood, glass, metals, dry erase board, canvas. You can make t-shirts, dish towels, pillowcases. You can do it on a quilt. I mean, so many great things. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you, honestly, the best decision I ever made almost 3 years ago was to join this opportunity. You guys, this is our current startup kit to become a designer like myself. It is available in the US for $99 or in Canada for $129. The benefits from becoming a designer are amazing. We have so many great things happening. Whether you are looking for maybe a part-time income, maybe you're looking for a career change, maybe you're looking to just be a hobbyist and you never know what this can turn into, just put a hashtag join below in the comments and let's chat. Let me answer any questions you have about Chalk Couture. You guys, this decision to become a designer almost 3 years ago has changed my life. It was one of the best decisions I ever made. And there are many ways to work this as a business. You can do some of it, all of it. Like I said, you could be a hobbyist, but I would love to share that with you. Just put that hashtag join below in those comments, and I will make sure I get you all that information. If that is something you're considering, maybe you've thought about it, come and join my VIP group. Just put a hashtag VIP below, you guys. Hashtag VIP, as long as you're not a designer, I'd love to welcome you in there. There are amazing people in my VIP group. I love them to death. So come join our VIP group. You'll get all the announcements that happen. You'll get all the fun, exciting updates. I do sneaky peeks in there of things coming. Join me in there. Would love to have you. So Okay, enough of that. You guys are like, okay, well, what is this Chalk Couture, right? Here it is. I'm going to show you how to do a quick project. On my website, you guys, we have some Try Me kits coming, or that are on there. Some are available, some are out of stock, some are coming back today. So stay tuned for that. This is actually one of the Try Me kits, okay? Our Try Me kit is going to include your transfer, your surface, which, by the way, this is our reversible box frame that is a 5x7. Yeah, love this thing. It is a great quality. Love these box frames. You get your transfer, your surface. You're going to get 2 chalk paste singles, okay? So this is what a single looks like. It is enough to complete a project and then some usually. Hey, Missy, welcome. So you're going to get 2 of those, and then you're going to get your mini squeegee. So this is what comes in a Try Me kit to try Chalk Couture at home for yourself. And they are discounted, you guys. So when you are on my website, here, let me put this over there. Let me throw this up there. When you were on my website, you guys, if you go to the shop section and then the special section, you will see all of our Try Me kits. Like I said, today, some will be back this afternoon, later this afternoon. So be sure to check that out or see if there's any there you want to grab now and, you know, give it a try and let me know what you think. All right, so that is what we are going to be doing today, and wait till you see how quick and easy this is. So for those of you who don't know, on the back of all of the transfers are the directions. So it tells you how to peel, prep, fuzz, apply, remove, heat set, but that is only when you use our ink, and then clean up for future use. Remember, I said these are reusable, right? You usually get anywhere from 8 to 10 uses out of one of these transfers. What? Yes. When you're done, you clean them up with water. You wipe them down with a Clorox wipe, if you have one. You let them air dry, adhesive side up, and you put them right back on their carrier sheets. Matthew, honey, can you come get me water? Because I'm going to show them how to clean this up. I forgot to do that. My little helper. Just a little bit. Matthew started school yesterday, you guys. K-12 this year. Crazy, crazy. But that's what we are doing. That's what we are doing. So our first step is always to flip over your transfer and write on the back. So what does this believe? Believe in yourself. Whoop, whoop. Thank you, buddy. And I am going to show you how I clean mine up, since I don't have a Clorox wipe right now, because like they are non-existent right now. I don't know what's happening. Does anybody have Clorox wipes? Like if you have a place that has Clorox wipes, number 1, you are so lucky. And number 2, let me know, because I will pay you to ship them to me. It's craziness. So believe in yourself. You are going to take your finger and rub it over the edge to get it started. Okay, I tell people don't pick at your corners. I like to flip mine over, and I'm going to remove that carrier sheet from the transfer. Now, if you forget to write on the back, there are 2 sides. There's the shiny side and the matte side. The shiny side is where your transfer will always go back on when they're dry. This is, hello, Miss Tracy. This is a silk screen, you guys. I better make sure I get this right when I put it on and not upside down. So all this area inside here is a little mesh screen. That's what makes them reusable, and that's what makes them so awesome. No weeding involved here. So if you've ever used vinyl and you know how you have to like weed all the little parts out, yeah, not happening with these, which is super cool. Now the adhesive side on a brand new transfer is usually super sticky. So I'm just gonna fuzz this up, and this is our fuzzing cloth. It has the microfiber side and the fuzzing side. I like using my fuzzing cloth instead of my t-shirt. It's just easier. But for the first time, you can use your t-shirt, or you can use your sweatpants, or whatever you want to use. Okay? Love my fuzzing cloth. Now, anytime I use wood, I wax my surface. You don't have to. Just saying. You don't have to unless you're using like a rough wood. I would wax your surface. It's just easier on your transfer. And we do have wax available now at Chalk Couture, by the way. I've already waxed my surface. So you just get a paper towel, rub it in there, and rub it all over your surface and let it dry. Okay. If you don't have that, this is something I use as well, the Min Wax Finishing Paste. That's what I used to use, but we came out with this, which is the same. Okay. Taking my transfer, I'm putting it right on my surface. This is going to be so quick. Wait till you see how quick and easy this is. Okay. Then I'm going to go from the out in the middle and out and press down the area of my silk screen so there's no air bubbles in that silk screen area. This would make a cute t-shirt too. Oops. So I've got that all smoothed out. I'm going to use our chalk paste today. I'm going to use our chalk paste in black and in the Shimmer Harvest. Look how pretty. Hello, Miss Sandy. How are you? So these are the two colors I'm going to be using today. By the way, chalk paste is water soluble, semi-permanent, goes on as a liquid, dries as a solid. Okay. Your chalk paste comes in over 36 different colors. You want your consistency to be like a yogurt sour cream. So this is a little bit thick. So all I'm going to do, yes, Missy, you can order them for parties. You just have to order them directly from your website as a customer. They are not available in the back office. Okay? Just an FYI. They are only available on the website. So what's really nice is if you do a workshop or a party, as you call it, or it's virtual, everybody can actually order them right online themselves, which is super fun. Virtual parties, you guys, are fun. We get together as a Zoom call, which is super, super fun. We create together. I show you how to do everything, and boom, you are done. And then we take a picture, of course. All right, so I'm just stirring that up so I get that nice consistency that I'm looking for, okay? Just like that. And again, I don't usually put water in my shimmer colors. This has a little bit of like glitter to it. I know it's hard to see on camera, but it's really, really pretty. So these are the two colors we are using today to create. I don't know, you guys. Okay, so wait a minute. Let's do this. Do I want to use the Shimmer Gold or the Shimmer Harvest? Which color? Shimmer Gold, or I'm sorry, Shimmer Gold. You guys can't see. Shimmer Gold or Shimmer Harvest. Look, I'm backwards. Which color? Gold or Harvest? I'm kind of liking the gold better. You guys, tell me, Shimmer Gold or Shimmer Harvest? Sandy, the surface, the box frame is amazing, you guys. And these come in 4 different sizes. Okay, we have a Harvest. 1 Harvest so far. Harvest or gold, you guys. Harvest or gold. The BU I'm going to do in black. Gold. Amanda says gold. Brooke says gold. Oh, Missy says gold. We have a Harvest. Gold is up by 1. Amber says Harvest. Harvest. Anita says Harvest. Sandy says Harvest. Whoop, whoop. Harvest is winning. Harvest, Harvest. Tracy says Harvest. All right, you guys. Harvest it is. We're going with the Harvest, you guys. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take my mini squeegee. Okay. I'm going to dip it in. And I'm just going to take it and apply pressure and scrape it across that area. So I'm going to do the BU in black. Okay, just like this. The BU is going to be done in black. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to use the Harvest. Again, take my mini squeegee and go over the letters. You want to apply pressure. It's not like painting, and scrape it off. Okay, applying pressure so that you get it through that silk screen, and then scrape off your excess. Oh, I got to be careful over here. I'm pretty close to that black. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Oh, hey, don't pull it. Don't pull right there. Okay, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Okay. Here we go, you guys. It was this easy, right? Just like that. Squeegees go in your water. Super quick, super easy. And then I'm going to take it, get your transfer, top to bottom, left to right, never corner to corner because you don't want to stretch it. Are you ready? Look. Are you serious right now? Yes, I am. Look at that. Boom. Just like that. Super simple. Boy, that Harvest looks gorgeous. Super simple, super easy. I'm going to set this up here to dry. Okay, I can use my hair dryer if I wanted to. Actually, let me show you. I'm going to take my hair dryer. It won't reach that far right this minute. And it's not working. My hair dryer is not working. My hair dryer is not working. Let me go hit the button. Hold on, you guys. Let me hit the button for my hair dryer. Whoop, there it goes. Okay. I'm going to dry this out. This just speeds up the process, you guys. Okay, just like that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this up here and I'm going to show you at the end. So I've got my little stir sticks. We sell those as well. Those are going in my water. You want to make sure you go ahead and get your lids on, okay? Get your lids on when you're done cleaning. You don't want to leave it exposed to the air for hours because it is chalk paste and it can dry. By the way, chalk paste is good for a year. Unopened, and 6 months. Honestly, I've gotten a lot longer than 6 months, but I have to say 6 months once it's opened. So just so you know. Okay, here is my transfer, right? Here it is in my little tub of water. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to clean this up. What I like to do is I have these little bubbles on the bottom of my tub. I like to rub it on the bottom. I'm going to take my little board eraser that we sell and I'm going to go over it here in the water to get up all that chalk paste. Okay, let me set this aside. Taking my transfer out of the water, putting it on my surface, and then again I'm going to take it and I'm going to go over it, flip it over, adhesive side up. You're just going to try any of the excess paste you have on there or any strings or fuzz. That's the one reason I love the Clorox wipes, you guys. It really helps remove some of that fuzz if you've got a lot of fuzz on the back. So I'm just going to clean that up. And guess what? I'm going to let this dry, adhesive side up. And then once it's dry, usually 15-20 minutes, I'm going to put it right back on my carrier sheet. That's it. That's how easy it is to clean your transfer and reuse it. Now, hold on, my hands are wet. I want to show you this also. So, chalk paste, touch it, feel it. You guys, it's not coming off, okay? Touch it, feel it. It's not coming off. Super, super amazing. All right, you guys, like I said, if you have any questions about anything, please let me know. Super cute, super easy, high-end DIY. You can check out the Try Me kits on my website, chalkandwithjen.com. Would love for you to check that out. Again, if you are interested in learning more and being a customer, stop into my VIP group as long as you are not a designer. Just put a hashtag VIP in the comments and I will get you that link. And again, if you want to be a designer like myself and believe in yourself, what? How perfect is that? That would be cute in a little girl or boy's room too. You just can put a hashtag join in the comments, you guys. I will get you all the information you need about becoming a designer. Crazy designer like myself, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Lots of fun things coming. Like I said, stop into the VIP group and we will get you any information you need, you guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Thursday and I will be chalking with you soon, guys. Have a great day.